What if I told you that a single oil could transform your skin, hair, and even your digestion in ways you never imagined? Castor oil, often overlooked, holds extraordinary benefits that might just blow your mind. This humble oil has been used for centuries, but its full potential is only now coming to light. In this video, we'll uncover how castor oil can do everything from enhancing your skin's radiance to providing relief for digestive issues and joint pain. Get ready to be surprised by the science-backed benefits of this ancient remedy and learn how you can harness its power for better health. Stay tuned as we reveal the incredible uses of castor oil and how it can make a meaningful difference in your daily life. Number 1. Skincare. Castor oil is celebrated for its impressive benefits for skincare, largely due to its high content of ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid has strong anti-inflammatory properties that help calm irritated or inflamed skin, making castor oil an effective treatment for conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Its ability to lock in moisture also ensures deep hydration, keeping your skin soft and supple. By applying castor oil directly to your face or body, you can enjoy a smoother texture and more hydrated skin. Beyond its moisturizing qualities, castor oil plays a significant role in promoting a youthful complexion. It stimulates collagen production, which can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This collagen-boosting effect makes castor oil a common ingredient in anti-aging skincare products. Regular use can lead to rejuvenated skin, giving it a healthy, glowing appearance and reducing signs of aging. Number 2. Hair care. Castor oil is a powerhouse when it comes to hair care, thanks to its rich composition of ricinoleic acid. This unique fatty acid enhances blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn nourishes the hair follicles. Increased blood flow helps stimulate hair growth and strengthen existing strands, making castor oil a popular choice for those dealing with hair thinning or seeking to boost hair density. In addition to promoting growth, castor oil significantly improves the shine and texture of your hair. It functions as a natural conditioner, providing deep hydration that makes your hair softer and more manageable. For those with dry or damaged hair, castor oil helps restore moisture balance and revitalize hair health. For optimal results, massage castor oil into your scalp and hair once a week, allowing its benefits to penetrate deeply and enhance overall hair vitality. Number 3. Digestive health. Castor oil is well known for its benefits in supporting digestive health, particularly as a natural remedy for constipation. Its effectiveness comes from ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that has been shown to stimulate the intestines. This stimulation promotes bowel movements, helping to relieve constipation and reduce discomfort. For those who experience occasional constipation, a small dose of castor oil can be a simple and effective solution. It works by increasing the movement of the intestines, which helps the body eliminate waste more efficiently. However, while castor oil can be a helpful remedy, it must be used with caution due to its potency. It's important to avoid using it too frequently, as overuse can lead to digestive issues or discomfort. Before using castor oil as a laxative, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. They can guide you on the correct dosage and ensure that castor oil is a safe and suitable option for your specific health needs. Number 4. Pain relief. Castor oil isn't just for your skin and hair, it's also a secret weapon against pain. Thanks to its superstar ingredient, ricinoleic acid, castor oil has serious inflammation-fighting powers. Whether it's arthritis pain or sore muscles after a workout, a little castor oil massage can work wonders. The magic doesn't stop there. Castor oil can also boost your circulation, which helps to speed up healing and reduce discomfort. Imagine soothing your aching joints or relaxing those tight muscles with a castor oil rub. Pure bliss. But remember, while castor oil is amazing, it's not a miracle cure. Always check with your doctor before using it for chronic pain conditions. Number 5. Immune system support. Castor oil supports the immune system in several ways. Its high content of antioxidants helps to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can enhance your body's overall ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Regular use of castor oil can contribute to a stronger immune system and better overall health. Additionally, castor oil's antimicrobial properties help to protect against infections. It can be used as a natural remedy for minor cuts and scrapes, providing an extra layer of protection against harmful microorganisms. By incorporating castor oil into your routine, you can give your immune system a natural boost. Number 6. Wound healing. When it comes to natural remedies for pain, castor oil stands out as an exceptional choice. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, primarily due to ricinoleic acid, make it highly effective in alleviating pain from conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. Applying castor oil directly to the painful area provides soothing relief, reducing inflammation and easing discomfort. This makes it a popular choice for massages aimed at relieving muscle tension and joint pain, offering a natural and gentle alternative to conventional pain relief methods. Moreover, castor oil creates a barrier over the wound, protecting it from environmental contaminants. This can help to prevent infection and further irritation. For optimal results, apply castor oil to the affected area and cover it with a clean bandage. It's a simple yet effective way to support the natural healing process of your skin. And there you have it, the many powerful ways castor oil can benefit your health and well-being, from nurturing your skin and hair to supporting your digestive health and providing pain relief. This versatile oil is truly a natural wonder. Have you tried castor oil for any of these uses? If not, which one are you most excited to explore? We hope this video has inspired you to incorporate castor oil into your daily routine. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on natural health and wellness. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let us know how you plan to use castor oil in your life. Thanks for watching.